Hi guys!
Welcome to our channel.
Today we're going to be doing something very different. Can you please tell them what we're doing?
So we are at Singapore right now, but we're not here to explore the city. We are going to spend 24 hours at the Singapore's Changi Airport today.
It's going to be a very cool experience staying at an airport.
Yeah.
We literally have a hotel room in the airport. We just picked up all of our luggage. By the way, we're coming from Seoul.
Yeah.
We had a 6-hour flight. We are very tired, but we're thrilled to be able to experience this.
We have a very packed day, so let's go.
That is where we're going to be staying. Aditya, you're literally going to be sleeping on an airport. How cool is that?
It's a very cool experience.
Made it. काफी दूर नहीं था. Like
थोड़ा
it's like
5-6 minute
5
walk.
minute walk.
तू बोल रहे मैं 5-6 बोल रहा हूँ.
दोनों मिला के 7 मिनट नहीं का भी नहीं था.
5
5
मिनट
minutes
था.
का
वाओ.
हमारे पास इतना सामान है ना.
अच्छा. ये दोनों बड़ा बैग देख 50 किलो दोनों मिला के.
बट व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि हम सिंगापुर से शॉपिंग नहीं करते.
वाह यार और शॉपिंग करनी है तुझे.
So we made it to our room. Hotel looks so good. Like मुझे पता था अच्छा होगा, but इतना वाइबी और इतना bougie होगा मुझे नहीं पता था. First impressions. Oh wow, looks so nice. There's a tub and a nice spacious washroom. Very nice. How cute. बहुत अच्छा.
वाह रूम में सोफा है, बेड है और
The view, oh my god, it's so pretty.
खिड़की के बाहर ये डिजाइन है रैंडम.
But no, this is like a very true to like Changi design.
राइट. और वहाँ से रनवे दिखता है.
रनवे लेफ्ट में, राइट में, आई बिलीव एयरपोर्ट ही है.
हाँ दूसरा टर्मिनल रहेगा. वाओ लवली होटल रूम.
Yeah, it looks so nice. 0.5 seconds में हमने पूरा रूम खराब कर दिया है.
It's a basic thing.
But we're all fresh. It feels so good to take a shower.
Yeah, after a long flight, a nice hot shower.
Is all you really
Yeah.
need, and we get to do it on the airport.
I still
Before
can't
we-
believe that it's on the airport. I mean,
Yeah.
it feels like a normal hotel room, but then in between you remember, "Kya it's on the airport.
Correct.
You can see the runway from here."
So basically, you can also do this if you have just like a few hours in the middle. But we're doing it for like 24 hours. Like our flight back to Mumbai is tomorrow in the evening.
Yes.
Right? So we have one full day to explore the city. Not the city, sorry, the airport.
Yes.
Now, we've ordered some food. I am starving. Aditya, are you? Not so much, right?
Not so much, but I can eat. Pizza, gampe.
Looks amazing.
Amazing.
Comfort food.
Food. Looks amazing. Comfort food. ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
Wearing sunglasses inside an airport. I don't know why. I don't know where, but wearing it. If you look, bro.
We're twinning.
Yes.
And we're fully transformed. We feel like different people. I feel like a different person.
Yeah, I will once I see nobody wearing sunglasses in the airport.
Anyway, let's go and explore the Changi airport. So we've made it for activity number 1. So basically the whole concept is कि अगर आपका layover बहुत बड़ा है, so there's a lot of things for you to do. For example, this is the ABC cooking studio. We are going to be making pandan cakes today. I don't think I've ever even tasted one, let alone making one. So let's go. Okay, so पूरा setup already हो चुका है यहाँ पे for us. We have the recipe and then we're supposed to follow the tab. सारे instructions वहाँ पे literally सब कुछ निकाल के रखा है. I don't think it should be too difficult. It's time. Do I take the whole tray? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Looks good.
Wow.
So cute. Looks so nice and soft. Ooh, so beautiful. Sponge cake जैसा है ना?
We are at the hedge maze in the canopy park.
I have an idea.
क्या?
I think you should go ahead and you should try to find a way. I should go separately
And let's see.
and
बाहर
let's
कैसे आते
see.
हैं? I'm on my way alone through the hedge maze. Let's see. Oh. So this is how these gates operate. If I open this way, I can only go ahead. I can't go this way or this way. So let's go ahead. Does not look like the right way. That's a dead end. I think I'm just going around in circles. Yes, मैं वापस वहीं पर आया जहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था. This is actually very confusing. It's fun.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just walking around. Oh, look how pretty. Did you see it like goes in and comes out?
I can't see Mridul anywhere. I don't know where she is.
Why is it kind of scary?
Still can't see her. So pretty. I found you. Yes. Some other flowers go in and come out. I think I'm almost out. Mridul should also join in a bit. ये देखो, that's Mridul. Loser, I came first.
So this is the end?
I think so.
Oh.
So this is the maze. I think it's very well designed. Actually for kids, but it's fun. तो ये तो सिर्फ तार का एंट्री था.
हाँ ये कुछ भी
Actual
जीते
exit
नहीं है
ticket.
कोई भी.
मैं अभी भी निकल सकता हूँ ठीक से, क्योंकि मैंने तो एग्जिट देख लिया कहाँ पर है कैसे.
आदि fooled me. फिर खुद अचानक direction में भागा.
Yay!
We're at the mirror maze.
Yeah, this is going to be fun. This is cool, guys. This is very cool. Yeah, you have to use the stick at all times. Oh, real. Real.
लगता easy है ये, but actually you could bang into something. So it's good that they've given us these sticks. We made it out. I think, yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. The ceiling, look at the ceiling.
Wow. So we are going to the slides. Yeah. Steep. Yeah, we've come to the
most
yes.
fun experience. It's called Bouncy Mesh.
Woohoo! Abhi?
पास आके करता और होगा. Hello, so done with dinner. How was dinner?
अच्छा था, थोड़ा मतलब
Interesting.
अलग जगह पे गए. Yeah, it was
Gourmet
like a
restaurant
gourmet
में गए थे.
restaurant, and I don't think we have developed that taste.
Yeah,
As
I
of
feel
now?
like a few years ago we used to say that. I mean, I used to say that I didn't like olives.
Yeah.
I didn't like truffle.
Truffle. So we
And-
do like them now, but I don't think we fully developed the taste.
Yeah.
But it's nice, ठीक है. Small doses में थोड़ा थोड़ा we can eat.
Yeah.
But overall, I think it was a good meal. I would rate it like a 3.515.
Yeah, yeah. And it was a good day. We're tired obviously because we've had a long flight and we haven't had the time to rest. So we have tonight a very comfy bed and a comfy room awaits us.
Yes. Not sleeping in the flight like this.
See you guys tomorrow. Hi, so finally I can talk because I've eaten my breakfast. I woke up feeling so hungry and आते ही मैंने इंडियन फूड देखा तो मैं जल्दी से चना मसाला लिया, राइस लिया, खा लिया. वो तो पूरा हो गया. Actually, for the most part, my breakfast is done. I also had a little bit of salad. Basically, proper continental breakfast था. सब कुछ था from like different parts of the world. I could get a coffee. Do you want a coffee?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah. So we're just gonna fuel up and then we're gonna start exploring the airport again.
So हमारे गाइडेड टूर चालू है ऑफ चांगी एयरपोर्ट. ये एयरपोर्ट की तरफ से हमें एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव दिया है जो हमें पूरा एयरपोर्ट घुमा रहे हैं. And she's basically telling us about the different stores, the different offers that Changi Airport has for the customers.
यहाँ पे SkyTrains है that connect you from one terminal to the other. There are 4 terminals here, so obviously physically possible नहीं है for you to be able to walk so much. So you can take one of these and the views are very very pretty. आदित्य को अपने वर्स्ट नाइटमेयर से पास होना पड़ रहा है. It's a butterfly garden. Go, you can go down. You run down.
This side?
I'm gonna take some clips and I'll be back.
Finally, we found the sunflower garden, which we are going to explore now. So this is a robotic bartender that's making our cocktail for us. So one of them has the ice. Now it's taking the alcohol. The bottles are up there. It's... Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, nice.
How cool.
Oh, the drink is ready. Wow.
There's more, right or not?
No, I think it's done. Wow. Thank you, robot bartender. This is the final drink.
Please try, Aditya.
Yeah, this is my first time having a drink made by a robot bartender.
It's some cherry-based drink.
It's nice.
Yeah?
Cherry lime vodka. तो हमने हमारा पिक्चर क्लिक किया है एंड देन यहाँ पे वो लोग ये लेटर्स एंड अल्फ़ाबेट्स के मिक्सचर के साथ बनाते हैं वो फोटो. अभी लेट्स सी कितना एक्यूरेट आता है. Yeah, kinda looks like us.
Hey, it is time to check out. We've packed our bags for like the fourth time. सोल में 2 बार किए, जाते वक्त भी 1 बार किया, फिर इस बार खोला. Yeah, the 4th time. But we are not done. Still
Yes.
exploring the Changi.
We'll just keep our bags at
the hotel only.
And then explore.
And then continue exploring because ये एयरपोर्ट इतना बड़ा है. And मुझे अभी बहुत भूख लगी है. लंच का टाइम है. इतना हमने आज वॉक किया. आई थिंक कुछ 6,000 स्टेप्स ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं. कितने बजे अभी? 2 बजे.
2 बजे 2:30 मिनट 2 बजे.
So let's go eat something.
So we are out for lunch at our favorite Din Tai Fung. 2 times in the last 7-8 days. Yeah. But this one has vegetarian options.
Yeah, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे vegetarian options है. Like dumplings भी है vegetarian वाले.
Yes, and masala kakadi, spiced cucumber.
Masala kakadi, did you just call it?
Yeah.
Found kaya toast at the airport. This is kind of like a favorite, so Aditya is just getting it. It's kind of cold, even though he just made it.
मस्त है.
मतलब जो हमने एक्चुअली खाया था सिंगापुर में, that was better.
ये भी सिंगापुर का ही हुआ, बस एयरपोर्ट का. There's a robot in the lounge that picks up all the dishes. Like you can ask it to wait and it'll pick up the dishes. So cool.
Okay, and with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. How was your overall experience?
It was an amazing experience. Changi Airport is really good. There are so many things to do for everyone, for small kids, for men, women. Everybody can do something or the other. It's like the best way to spend your time.
I think especially for kids, I think
Yeah.
it's great. But then also having said that, us as
Yeah.
proper adults, we also
Had a
really
lot of
enjoyed
fun.
it.
Yeah.
I think it's a great like layover point. Like there's so much to do, especially if you have like a longer layover.
Yeah. If you can schedule your trip in such a way that you got a long
Yeah.
layover at Changi, definitely go for it.
Okay, and with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.